Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cameras. On the left, we have the Miden S7 dual dash camera, and on the right, we have the Pilot dash camera. Get ready for some epic comparisons, hilarious jokes, and of course our honest opinions. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's talk about the most important feature of a dash camera, video quality. The Miden S7 boasts an impressive 2.5K front video and FHD 1080p rear video. That means you can read license plates and road signs with crystal clarity. Let's dim the lights and check out the night vision capabilities. The Miden S7 features a f1.5 aperture and WDR technology, ensuring clear footage even in the darkest of nights. No ghostly shadows here. Let's talk about parking mode, folks. The Miden S7 has a built-in parking monitor that automatically starts recording when it detects vibrations or someone trying to steal your car. Talk about 24/7 protection. Last but not least, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The Miden S7 comes in at a budget-friendly $69. That's less than what you'd spend on a fancy dinner. The Miden S7 dual dash camera exceeds expectations with exceptional video quality, easy installation, wide-angle lens, seamless loop recording, user-friendly interface, and parking mode feature. It comes with a 64GB micro SD card and USB SD card reader and offers durability and reliability. Overall, it is a stellar investment for driving safety needs. Well, there you have it, folks. The Miden S7 and the Pilot dash camera battled it out and both brought their game. Ultimately, it comes down to your personal preferences and budget. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our future comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.